Yeah, hello guys. Welcome back to Soft Talk FX Academy once again. This is a follow-up video on the strategy I dropped earlier, the daily highs and lows of the day strategy that I've been emphasizing on the Telegram channel. I've been emphasizing for you guys to try and master it. That is a very simple and straightforward strategy. So we are in a trade presently, and this is V100 on synthetic indices, and the same strategy I used in, you know, picking up this trade. So I just want to quickly explain it. This is where I actually dropped the entry on the Telegram channel. This is where we caught it, but I've been in this trade even before I dropped it. I've been in this trade. So let me show you how and where I actually caught this particular trade we are in at the moment. And for those that are coming across this channel for the first time, and you are coming across it for the first time, if you also want to join us and take our free trades on our Telegram channel, check the description box. You are going to see the link to our Telegram channel. Do well to join us there. We drop analysis on a daily basis. We drop signals on a daily basis. And if you want to, enjoy more valuable content like this, subsequently just click the notification bell, click the follow button, and like our videos so that when next we drop educational video like this, you'll be the first to get it. Now let me show you the analysis. Something I love about this strategy. It's a very simple strategy. Anybody can understand the strategy. Even if you are even primary school students can understand the strategy. All you just have to do is take your time to master it, do a lot of back tests to gain confidence on this strategy, and you will do yourself a whole lot of good if you understand market structure. If you understand market structure and you understand liquidity, oh, this strategy, you will do yourself a whole lot of good, because when you combine these factors together, you are going to arrive at a very good point. You are going to arrive, you are going to arrive at a very good point when you combine all this together. And let me show you how it works. Now, let me take you to 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes time frame. Okay, if you remember the video I dropped earlier, to trade this particular strategy, I told you that you mark the highs and the low of the previous day. You mark the highs and the low of the previous day. Then after marking the highs and the low of the previous day, what do? You wait for that very day to close. So this is where the previous day, this is where we have the previous day. You can see the session separator line here. Then let me go to 5 minutes so that you can see what happened. You can see the price action clearly on 5 minutes. You can see the price action clearly. See, okay, this particular day, V100 was on a sell. It created this high. Then you can see price was creating lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and you would have caught some very good trades even from here. But I wasn't looking at V100 yesterday, but because like I told you, if I slap on my feet, if I slap on my feet, look at it. Price will always return to your fib levels, and you would have caught very juicy trades. So that's for the previous day. Then the day we are in presently, let me show you how what I was looking at, my thought process. Let me show you my thought process on this particular trade. Okay, so this is how this is where the previous day closed, candle closed. I mean, ended the last low that was created, previously. So when the new daily candle opened, price tried to break the previous day low and couldn't break it. You can see the consolidation on the low. Then eventually price took the liquidity below here. After taking the liquidity, what did you see? It created higher high. It created higher high. And for those that understands the smart money concept, like I always tell you, irrespective of the strategy that you trade, if you understand the smart money concept, you're going to be doing yourself a whole lot of good, a whole lot of good. And to trade this concept, to trade it perfectly, you have to understand market structure. You can see a break of structure here. After price has taken liquidity, you can see this wick that took the liquidity below here. That means it took yesterday's liquidity and broke structure to the upside. And what did you see? Price returned to mitigate this last down candle before the break of structure. And you see, price has started going up. So, and if you use your Fibonacci as well, if you put your Fibonacci from here, you draw it here, you would have caught it if you are making use of Fibonacci. I told you price will always return to 62%. Price will always make a retracement back to 62%. And that's where you would have caught your lovely trade. And look at it. Look at what we have here. Let me zoom in so that you can see it clearly. Look at what we have here. Let me take out the fib. Price took out the low. It took out the liquidity. There's liquidity below here. Price took out the liquidity below here, created higher high. Then came back to mitigate. If you are using SMC to pick your entries, you would have gotten a sniper entry right from here. And if you are using your fib, you put on your fib, you put on your Fibonacci, you can see price perfectly retraced to 62%, 62.70.5%, and you would have gotten your trade. But we, on the group, I didn't drop that one. Then this is where we got in. This is where we got into this trade. Okay, this is where we got in. Look at it. And what did you see? Price came perfectly right into our 62%, 70.5%. And that's where this small move has given up to this place, has given up to $70 on the lowest lot size. Guys, $70 on on any ground is a good deal for the day. And I believe if you are even in Africa, making $70 in a day is a good deal anytime, any day. So, and this is what this move has given so far. And it's still going up because on this move, I'm actually targeting the high of yesterday, because for price to have taken the liquidity below is heading for the liquidity above. And if you look at the daily time frame, the price, the daily time frame is on a bullish run. So that's where, that's why I'm actually targeting, the liquidity above, because to trade this strategy perfectly, you work in line with the higher time frame bias. You work in line with the higher time frame bias. So for me, trading this strategy, I will go to the daily time frame. I'll look for what is happening on the daily time frame. Is the market bullish or bearish? Then I'm coming back to 15 minutes to figure, to pick my entries on the 15 minutes. And that is what I do. So guys, just like I always tell you, don't just take it the way I've presented it to you. Do your back test, practice on your demo. If you are confident, if you have gained the confidence, then you can put it to test on your real account. But I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a financial advisor. I won't tell you what to do. You know what to do. I believe you are above it and you know what to do. So practice and put it to use. If you like it, fine. It's a free strategy. I'm not even charging a dime. I'm not charging a dime for this. And this strategy is very consistent, is very simple for everybody to understand. And this strategy can take you from a beginner trader to an elite trader. Guys, it's all up to you. I'm out for now. See you some other time.